Hello everybody. Today I have brought one more map for you. This is mountains of India, भारत के पर्वत. So we'll discuss about the different facts and the different mountain series in India. What is mountain? Mountain is a natural elevation of the earth surface. A mountain is a large natural rise of the earth's surface that usually has a summit. What is meant by summit? That is peak, choti. पर्वत की चोटी. It is usually steeper and taller than a hill. Mountains are generally a hill which is larger than 600 meters. There are three types of mountains mainly: folded mountain, block mountain and volcanic mountain. पर्वत क्या है? पर्वत एक प्राकृतिक संरचना है जो आसपास की सतह से काफ़ी ऊंची उठी रहती है, जिसमें एक चोटी होती है जिसका शीर्ष होता है और जिसमें ढलान भी होती है. आमतौर पर ऐसा टीला जो समुद्र की सतह से 600 मीटर से ज़्यादा ऊंचा उठा रहता है उसे हम पर्वत या पहाड़ कहते हैं. सो दिस वाज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ the lake. Now this was the definition of the mountain, and now we will discuss about the different facts of mountains in India. There are many mountain series in India, in our country: Aravalli, Vindhyachal, Satpura, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Himalaya main, that is, and other mountains are also there. So Aravalli, this is the oldest folded mountain of our country. This is the, you can say, Aravalli is the oldest mountain series of our country. And its highest peak is Guru Shikhar, and Raisina Hills in Delhi, Mount Abu where Dilwala Jain Temple is there, Makrana Mines where white marble mines are there, Khetri Mines which is famous for copper ore. These all are located in Aravalli. Okay, and you know, Taj Mahal was built from those marbles which were brought from Makrana माइंस. तो अरावली भारत की सबसे पुरानी पर्वत श्रृंखला है, और इस पर्वत श्रृंखला में माउंट आबू, मकराना माइंस, खेतड़ी माइंस, रायसीना हिल्स इन दिल्ली, ये मुख्य मुख्य स्थान इसमें स्थित हैं. नाउ विंध्याचल. इन विंध्याचल सीरीज, विंध्याचल माउंटेन्स, the highest peak is Goodwill Peak. In Hindi it is called Sadbhavna Shikhar, and this divides North India with South India. Okay, and you know, earlier Amarkantak was known as the highest peak of Vindhyachal, but new discovery says that Amarkantak is the part of Maikal range. देखिए, विंध्याचल भारत को उत्तर और दक्षिणी भारत में विभाजित करता है, और इसके उच्चतम शिखर का नाम सद्भावना शिखर है. इसकी जो सबसे ऊंचा जो पहाड़ है उसको गुडविल पीक भी कहते हैं. नाउ सतपुड़ा, द हाईएस्ट पीक इज धूपगढ़. ओके, and Surat, Panchmani, Amarkantak, all these are located in Satpura range. Now Western Ghat, its another name is Sahyadri also. Anamudi is the highest peak of Western Ghat. Eastern Ghat, Armakola is the highest peak of Eastern Ghat, and Eastern Ghat is not continuous because many rivers they cut it and it's not continuous. ओके, ईस्टर्न घाट जो पूर्वी घाट है ये सतत नहीं है क्योंकि इसको बहुत सारी नदियाँ काट देती हैं. Karakoram, Karakoram, this is here, Karakoram. Um, in Karakoram, K2 Godwin Austen, the second highest peak of the world, is situated. Siachen, Mansural are also located there. Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus rivers, they originate from Karakoram. Okay, and officially K2 Godwin Austen, that is considered as the highest peak of our country, but actually it is in Pakistan. So in reality, Kanchenjunga, which is the third highest peak of the world, and that Kanchenjunga is known as the highest peak of our country. So these were some facts related to the different mountains of our country. See, from here we will see the location. This is Hindu Kush. It is in Pakistan and Afghanistan. This is Karakoram. It is in India and Pakistan and China. Parallel to it, these are Ladakh range, Jaskar range, and Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal, this is in Himachal Pradesh. And see, this is Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, the highest mountain range of the world. And this Himalaya is located in India, Bhutan, Nepal, China, and Myanmar country. So here in the sea in the northeast, this is Naga Hills. In Nagaland it is. ये जो नागा हिल्स है नागालैंड में है. एंड बारेली रेंज, दिस इज इन मणिपुर. एंड मिजो हिल्स कहाँ है? मिजोरम में है. सी, दिस इज गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया. गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया hills, these are in Meghalaya. And after that, see, this is Rajmahal hills. Okay, this is in Jharkhand. Kaimur hills, these are in Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. These are the Mekal hills, these are in Chhattisgarh. And this is Mahadev hills, this is in Madhya Pradesh. Now see, this is Eastern Ghat. Okay, Eastern Ghat, this range is located in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. And these are Javedi hills in Tamil Nadu. And these are Chevroy hills in Tamil Nadu. And these are the Annamalai hills in Tamil Nadu. And now see, this is Nilgiri hills in Tamil Nadu. And this is Cardamom hills in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And this is Western Ghat. This is from Tapi Valley to near to Kanyakumari. Okay, this is called Western Ghat. And see, this is Satmala hills. Okay, and this is Balaghat hills in Maharashtra. And these are Ajanta hills. Okay, and so this is Vindhyachal in Narmada Valley. Okay, parallel to Narmada Valley. Okay, and this is Satpura range parallel to Narmada and Tapi. Okay, and this is Aravalli range. This is in from Gujarat to Delhi. Okay, so these are the main mountain range of our country. Thank you.